the second part of our lesson today. So question number 13, you should have done it already. It says Miss Lance bought 6 packages of paper cups. Each package has 20 cups. She used 78 cups for a party. How many cups does Miss Lance have left? So this one is a little tricky if you don't pay attention to the numbers. So first we got to round. So 6, it's higher than 5, so you would round this up to 10. Now, we have 6 packages, and those have 20 in them, so that means you're going to have to times this next number. Now, see, if you look at 20, 20 is already at 10. We don't need to round that up. It stays at 20. I'm going to put little parentheses around this so we know to do this first. And then it says she used 78 cups for the party. Round that up is 80. So when we do this, you have 10 times 20, which is 200, minus 80, which is 120. Okay, and that would not be reasonable, so we would be no. Now we have to do the actual math. So you take 6 times 20 minus 78. Okay, 6 times 20, I know that 6 and 2 makes 12. Add the 0, that's 120. And if I take 120 minus 78, I get 42. That is still not reasonable. Okay, that is the end of page 417, so go ahead and turn the page. Okay, if you're on page 418, we're just going to keep working on this same concept. So, there are 83 students in a spelling contest. The first 9 students were eliminated. Then 29 students were eliminated. How many students were left? Oh, I forgot to put my answers on here. So it says that the answer here is 24. Let me pause this really fast and I will fix this. Okay, it is fixed. Okay, so let's start with our rounding. So 83 would round down to 80 because 3 is less than 5. We lose 9 students. 9 rounds up to 10 because 9 is higher than 5. And then we also lose 29 students, which would round to 30 because 9 is higher than 5. So 8 minus, let's do 10 and 30 here together. We add those together. That's 40. So 80 minus 40 is 40. Is it reasonable? No, it is not reasonable. Okay, now let's do our actual math. We have 83 minus 9. Let's do the in steps. So 83 minus 9 would be 74. And then we have to minus 29 from that. And from that, you would get 45. Okay, still not reasonable. We double checked our answers. Okay, next one we're going to do together. During 1 week, Tina rode her bicycle 42 miles and Jim rode 9 fewer miles than Tina. How many miles did they ride together? This one is kind of short. I shouldn't say short. I should say it could be a little complicated. So first we have to round it. So 42 would round down to 40. Okay, and then this is where it gets confusing because we have to add or minus these two numbers to get our total. So we would have 40 again, and then 9 would round up to 10. Okay, so then remember parentheses, we do parentheses first. So 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 plus 40 is 70. Is this reasonable? Yes, it is. Now let's do our actual math. You have 42 plus, and then remember in parentheses because we have to minus these 9 miles, 42. So 42 plus 42 minus 9. And when you take 42 minus 9, you get 33. And then when you add 42 to that, you get 75 miles. Still very reasonable because it's the exact answer. Woohoo! Okay, I want to try the last 2 problems on this page. That's going to end my time for this because I only have about 30 seconds left. So the next video is going to be the answers, me going over the answers for 16 and 17. If you want to watch it to check your work, go ahead. Otherwise, if you feel confident enough, you may go on to Think Central and do your assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going on to the next video. And if you don't go on to the next video, happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday.